Teachers need essentially three types of intersecting knowledge to be able to integrate technologies effectively. They need technological knowledge about the technologies and how to operate them. They need pedagogical knowledge, knowledge of how to teach effectively. And they need content knowledge or curriculum knowledge, knowledge of what it is that they're teaching or that they're helping their students to learn. But as the diagram indicates, these types of knowledge intersect. We learned about 25 years ago that teachers' pedagogical knowledge and their content or curriculum knowledge intersect with each other. General knowledge about how to teach isn't enough. Knowledge of the content itself isn't enough to help students to learn effectively. Teachers, in addition, need what Lee Schulman called pedagogical content knowledge, knowledge of how to teach particular content well. Now that technologies are part of this diagram, teachers also need technological content knowledge. That is, knowledge of how to best select the tools and resources that will help students to learn particular aspects of content or curriculum. Teachers also need technological pedagogical knowledge, that is, knowledge of how to teach well with these new digital tools and technologies. All of these different intersecting, interdependent types of knowledge together are considered to be technological pedagogical knowledge, or TPAC. That is the knowledge that teachers need to be able to integrate technologies effectively into students' curriculum-based learning. We realized several years ago that as complex as this knowledge is, it's actually an order more complex because of the multiple contexts in which teachers and students work together. There are many contextual influences on the knowledge that teachers need to be able to teach effectively with digital tools and resources. Among these different types of knowledge are knowledges of the technologies available, the amount of time that's available, physical space constraints, knowledge of students and their families, students' attitudes, their prior knowledge, their cultural diversity, their language diversity, their different socioeconomic levels. All of these many different contextual influences and more impact teachers' knowledge for effective technology integration. So TPAC, it turns out, is even more complex than we thought when we first conceptualized it about 6 years ago. And there are a number of researchers and educators that are actively working with TPAC to understand it better and to help teachers better prepare to teach effectively with digital tools.